Hello, how are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay, can you tell me your name? What is your name? Can you tell me what is your name?
Minh Phong.
Oh, nice to meet you, Minh Phong. How old are you?
I excel.
8 years old. Okay, Minh Phong, what is your favorite sport? What do you like to play?
I like to eat pizza.
What do you like to play? What do you like to play? I like to play football. What do you like to play? Minh Phong, what do you like to play? Okay, Minh Phong, no problem. Our lesson today is the starving back. Minh Phong, sit nicely. Sit nicely. Stop playing. Our lesson today is starving back. Now, I'm going to read the sentence for you. You listen very carefully, okay? Okay? Okay. The hostess says, follow me. Ooh, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, does the doctor say, follow me?
No.
No. Does the waitress say, follow me?
No.
No. Does the teacher say, follow me?
No.
No, very good. So does the hostess says, follow me?
Yes.
Yes, very good. What does the hostess say?
Follow me.
Follow me. Very good. Now, who says, follow me?
The hostess.
The hostess. Very good answer. Okay, now, does the dog follow the hostess?
No.
No. Does the cat follow the hostess?
No.
No. Does the rabbit follow the hostess?
No.
No. Does the giant bug follow the hostess?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Who follows the hostess?
The triangle.
The giant bug. Good answer. Okay, now, what does the giant bug do?
The triangle follow the hostess.
Good answer, Minh Phong. Very good. The giant bug follows the hostess. Okay, now, where does the giant bug go? Where does the giant bug go?
The restaurant.
Where? Say again, Minh Phong. Where does the giant bug go?
To the restaurant.
The giant bug goes into the bug restaurant. Very good answer, Minh Phong. Okay, Minh Phong, you did a good job today. You did